Hello everyone. Today my topic is coordinate geometry and we'll discuss about a distance formula. Before that, let me discuss about a coordinate system. You will see two straight lines perpendicular to each other. The horizontal line x prime is known as a x-axis and the vertical line y prime is known as a y-axis. X-axis and y-axis intersect each other at the point O, which is known as the origin, whose coordinates are 0, 0. Let's consider a point A whose coordinates are 2, 0. Here x coordinate is equals to 2. That means the value of x is equals to 2. The value of x is also known as abscissa, whereas the value of y or y coordinate is equals to 0. The value of y is also known as a ordinate. I'll repeat, the value of x is known as abscissa and the value of y is known as ordinate. If we take the value of x and y together, they are known as a Cartesian coordinates. Now distance formula. Let us consider 2 points A and B whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So what is the distance between A and B? The distance between A and B is given by a formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us take 2 more points A and B. The coordinate of A are 0, 0, that means A is at origin, and the coordinate of B are x and y. So what is the distance between A and B? Or we can say a distance of a point, any point from origin, is given by the formula square root of x square plus y square. So distance between any point from the origin is given by a formula square root of x square plus y square. Okay, let us take a first example. Find the distance between the points P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3. Let me explain this question with the help of an example. Let us consider 2 points P and Q whose coordinates are minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. We need to find a distance between P and Q. So for that we consider the coordinates of P are x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q are x2, y2. Given points are P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3. The distance between P and Q is given by the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's replace the value of x2, x1, y2, y1 by its value minus 5, 7, minus 1 and 3. So now instead of x2 I will write minus 1. Okay, I'll explain in this way. So now if you check, the value of x2 is minus 1, so x2 is minus 1 minus x1. So the value of x1 is minus 5, so minus 5. Be careful with this 2 negative sign. This minus came from a formula, and the value of x1 is minus 5 whole square plus y2. The value of y2 is 3 minus the value of y1 is 7. y1 is 7 whole square. Let's simplify it. So now minus into minus is plus 5 minus 1 is 4 whole square. 7 minus 3 minus 7 plus 3 is equals to minus 4 whole square. Let's simplify. 4 4s are 16, plus minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus, 4 4s are 16. So it's square root of 32, which can be written as 4 root 2. I'll show you how come 4 root 2. It's 2, 6, 10, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So this 2 is pair, so I'll write 1 2. This 2 is pair, so I'll write 1 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. This 2 is unpaired, so it remains inside the square root. Hence the distance between P and Q is equals to 4 root 2 unit. Next problem is calculate the distance between A 7,3 and B on the x-axis whose abscissa is 11. Abscissa means the value of x. Coordinates of A is 7, 3 and B are 11, 0. We need to find a distance between A and B. It's given by a formula: square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let's consider this is x1 and this is a y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. So now let's put the value. So x2 is 11 minus x1 is 7, so 11 minus 7, plus y2 is 0, y2 is 0, minus y1 is 3. Now let's simplify it. Square root of 11 minus 7 is 4 whole square, plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3 whole square. I will get square root of 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus, 3 3s are 9. So when I add up, I'll get square root of 25. Square root of 25 means 5. Distance between A and B is equals to 5 unit. Next question is find the value of y for which the distance between the point P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is 10 unit. So another type of question. Here I need to find the value of y where 2 points are given and a distance between them is also given. So let me explain this question with the help of a diagram. Let us consider the point P and Q whose the coordinate of P are 2, minus 3 and Q is 10, y. Distance between P and Q is 10 unit. It's all given. So for our simplicity, we assume the coordinate of P is x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2. Given a distance between P and Q is equals to 10. So now distance between P and Q is replaced by its formula: square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 10 unit. Now the value of x2 is 10. The value of x1 is 2. So 10 minus 2 whole square plus the value of y2 is y itself minus and the value of y1 is minus 3 whole square is equals to 10 unit. 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y minus into minus is plus 3 whole square is equals to 10. Squaring both squaring both sides. This square will cancel this square root side, so I'll get 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10 10 100. 64 plus, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which means y square plus 9 plus 6y is equals to 100. That is a square plus b square plus twice ab is equals to 100. Y square plus 6y, y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9 is 73. When 100 will come this side is a minus 100 is equals to 0. So y square plus 6y, 100 minus 73 is 27. So it's a minus 27 since 100 is greater than 73. Now from this is in the form of quadratic equation, so we'll factorize it by breaking the middle term. So I need two numbers. When it's multiply, it's equals to 27. 9 3s are 27, and when it's subtract, it's equals to 6. Please, whenever you'll do breaking the middle term, always write a bigger number in the front. Not 3 minus 9, but it's a 9 minus 3. 9 3s are 27. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So y square plus 9 into y is 9y, plus into minus is minus, 3 into y is 3y, minus 27 is equals to 0. So let's take y common out. Y plus 9 minus 3, y plus 9 is equals to 0. So y plus 9, y minus 3 is equals to 0. So either y plus 9 is equals to 0, that is y is equals to minus 9, or y minus 3 is equals to 0, or y is equals to 3. So let us again consider a coordinate system. So let's assume that there is a point on x-axis. If there is any point which is on x-axis, means the coordinate of point on x-axis is always given by x comma 0, x comma 0, and the point on y-axis, its coordinate is given by 0 comma y. So keep in mind, if there are any point which is on x-axis, its coordinate is given by x comma 0, and if there are any point which is on y-axis, its coordinate is given by 0 comma y. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Find the point on x-axis which are a distance of 5 unit from the point 5 comma minus 4. So 2 point, let us consider A, whose coordinate is x comma 0. So that is this point A is on x-axis, so we consider its coordinate at x comma 0. If this point is on the y-axis, so we consider it's a 0 comma y, and a B whose coordinates are 5 comma minus 4, and a distance between A and B is 5 unit. So for our simplicity, we'll take the coordinates of A are x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, and the other given point is 5 comma minus 4. The distance between the 2 points is equals to 5 unit. So that means, so square root of the distance is given by the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 5. So the value of x2 is 5, minus value of x1 is x, plus value of y2 is minus 4, and y1 is 0 is equals to 5. So now squaring both sides, I will get 5 minus x whole square plus 16 is equals to 5. You can check it down there how it comes. Now this is in the form a minus b whole square. So a square, that is 5 square is 25, minus twice ab, 2 5s are 10x, plus b square is x square, plus 16, this 25 will come this side, minus 25 is equals to 0. Now x square minus 10, this 25 and this 25 will get cancelled, so plus 16 is equals to 0. Breaking the middle term, I want two numbers when it multiply is equals to 16 and when it add up is equals to 10. So 8 to the 16, 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. X square minus 8 into x is 8x, minus into plus is minus, 2 into x is 2x, plus 16 is equals to 0. From here let's take x common out, so it's a x minus 8. From here I'll take minus 2 common out, so it's a x minus 8 is equals to 0. So from here I'll take x minus 8 common out, so it's a x minus 2 is equals to 0. Either x minus 8 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to 8, or x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. And therefore the required points are 8, 0, either 8, 0 or 2, 0.